product is a preventative measure that will eliminate 95% of all flat tires and the costly downtime experienced by your company each year. Truly a demonstration that is worth 1,000 words. Seeing is believing. Please make note of the tire gauge. We will mark the spot where the tire will be punctured with a pickaxe to demonstrate the dramatic results of Steel's airlock tire technology. Listen carefully for the escaping air from the puncture and see how quickly the sealant works. Here's how it works. It remains a liquid inside the tire. As the tire rotates, the material spreads out over the inside surface. When a puncture occurs, centrifugal force plus the jet action of escaping air propels millions of tiny fibers and fillers into any opening on the tread, lower sidewall, or bead. As the rubber spreads and flexes under load conditions, the carefully formulated fluid forms a solid plug in just a few revolutions of the tire. This fluid compound maintains viscosity and prevents freezing, inhibits rust and corrosion, and preserves the integrity of the rubber, ultimately extending the life of your tires. Commercial grade was the first product developed for use by general fleet and over-the-road operations. As you may know, heat and underinflation are the worst enemies of tires. Commercial grade seals up to 95% of all punctures as large as a 1/4 inch while dissipating heat. The consequence? Tread life extended by 20 to 25% and proper inflation resulting in better fuel economy. Good news for your bottom line. Heavy Duty lives up to its name by being ideally suited for use in off-road and over-the-road equipment that routinely experiences hazardous conditions. Heavy Duty seals punctures up to 1/2 inch and provides greater protection from flats and tire damage. This increased heavy-duty protection translates to lower maintenance costs and, most important, less equipment downtime. For peak performance under the most demanding conditions encountered by hunting, fishing, and recreational vehicles. Industrial strength for maximum impact, these products are conveniently packaged, easy to install, and provide ultimate flat protection for the outdoorsman. Seeing is believing. Armor Seal represents the pinnacle in state-of-the-art tire sealants. With millions of miles of road testing and solid performance, none has been so dramatic as the military's testing and application. The military testing successfully took Armor Seal through a gauntlet of extreme combat conditions, including puncturing tires with spikes up to 1 1/4 inches in diameter. In each case, the test vehicles were then driven 100 miles off-road without any appreciable air loss. This actual military footage documents the field conditions and testing of Armor Seal. Strong evidence that if the military approved Armor Seal for use in the extreme battlefield conditions of Bosnia and Rwanda, Armor Seal will certainly provide the protection you need for your industrial or agricultural applications. Scientifically developed, tested, and proven, and delivered ready to use with easy installation as a sophisticated total preventative maintenance program. You can also enjoy your leisure time without the worry of dangerous and costly punctures and flats in your recreational vehicles. See for yourselves. So as your maintenance headaches go down, your savings go up. Seeing is believing.